Hello YouTube. We have our first unboxing here for Mad's production. This is a fast claw quick release for our camera, and we have a Sony A6400 that we're starting production, and we're hoping that these small unboxings, first impressions, kind of help you guys. Nothing very expensive, $20 on Amazon. I'll make sure I put the link down below where I purchased it. So we'll unbox it, take a look at the material quality, see if it's worth the money there, and hopefully it works out well, since we're using both the tripod, and then we're using also the A6400 for webcam purposes. So you're new to the channel and this kind of helps you out, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and then hopefully we can bring you more content. So let's get into this and start unboxing. So first impressions, the packaging looks pretty good. A nice sleeve cover type, foam felt to kind of protect the quick release there. And let's go ahead and pull this out and take a look at it. Feels really good. It's the Ulanzi brand. Purchased them before in the past, and very good aluminum quality. Seems to have a really nice rich black color, and so far it's not too bad. I love the accents that show the red anodized along with the black aluminum. One of the things that I kind of wish they would do more is minimize the logo, but that's okay. We'll leave it and take a look at what they have as far as durability goes. So it's kind of nice to keep their name on there for now. And so what we'll do is kind of take a look at it. It's just a 1/4 inch thread here that will screw onto the camera, and then this piece right here will be attached to the tripod, and you can kind of see the 4 springs there. Has actually kind of nice action to it. So again, pretty nice build. We'll take a look at it and install, and we'll be right back. And there you have it. You have the Ulanzi fast claw quick release for pretty much any camera that you see there. So far, first impressions look very nice. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to give you guys a follow-up, maybe after maybe a month or two, to see how it fares. Obviously this is going on a pretty pricey camera, so I'm hoping that the reliability is really well. Overall, first impressions, I definitely would say I would purchase for $20. I love the contrasting red anodized and the black aluminum look. Kind of matches the theme to the camera. But overall, I'm hoping that this helps me, you know, obviously quick release my camera onto a tripods. And so if you guys have any comments, questions, shoot them down below, and hopefully we can continue to bring you content similar to this, small purchases, quick reviews that we buy on Amazon. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and please subscribe, hit the like button, and hopefully we bring you more content. All right, have a good night. Thank you all.